Mehta's YouTube review channel and say hello to our little Tingy. Tingy walks in. Coco, sit down. We are going to show the shoes that we bought. So I wanted a nice running shoe, so I ordered one from Ajio. So Ajio is very good. We downloaded the Ajio mobile app, and it has one of the nicest range from Myntra or Flipkart or Amazon. It has more range than any of these. It has a better price. So I couldn't even find these shoes anywhere. Oh, the box is broken. I could not find these shoes anywhere, but they were available on Ajio and at a very killer price. These shoes are listed for 7,999, something like that. Right, and I paid 3,677. They gave me 30-40% discount, another 160 off. But the box is broken. I don't like it when companies send products with a broken box. But the box doesn't really matter. The box doesn't seem to matter. But I had a very bad experience with another company called Fashionara, which refused to take my order back because the box was broken. And I explained to them I had received it with a broken box, but it was very hard to get in touch with any of them. So coming back to the broken box, the box is badly broken, and let's see what the shoes are like. Before I show you the shoes, I'll quickly show you my setup. There will be more videos coming on this channel. I'll be reviewing the Alienware, my Focusrite audio interface, my KRK studio monitors, my LG monitor, my guitars. There's a whole bunch of guitars, soundbox, exercise cycle, mics, Wacom tablets, Galaxy Tab S4. So a lot of reviews are coming. But let's open up the shoes. So you will not find the review of these particular shoes anywhere on the internet. The shoes are not very nicely packed. They are just kept in a box. But they seem to be very light. They look small for me. I ordered a size 9, but they look a bit small. The quality is not bad as compared to some of the other shoes I've bought, like Pumas, Nikes, Adidas. They look on par. But talking about shoes, I must say, I once walked into a shop to buy shoes and they were very cheap. So I asked them why, and they were made in India, Action Campus shoes. And they had similar styles, similar soles, and they were very, like, this is 3,700 something. A comparable Action made in India shoe is 1,100-1,200. So I think we must try these made in India products as well. What if they are as good? The finishing on this, if you get the camera close, let us have a look at the finishing. The finishing is not as good as I would have expected. You know, if you see Indian made shoes like Liberty or Action, their finishing is almost as good. So this has a little air cushion under it. It says Sketch Air. It has a little air cushion under it, which is supposed to give you softness. It is packed with a cardboard tongue with a Skechers Koga mat. So basically the insole is a Koga mat insole. It is exceptionally breathable and it's air cooled. It's called a Go Run Air. Air cushioned heel provide extreme comfort. Air cooled Koga mat inside for enhanced breathability. So I'm expecting the shoe must be extremely comfortable. Right? It's a very simple and nice design with the big Skechers logo, two tongues to pull it up. This looks a bit small, so let us try it out. So currently I'm wearing a beautiful pair of Woodlands. I have 3 of these and a review of this would be coming soon. Let me try on the Sketch Air. Let us see what it is like. This does look small, but you know, sometimes this is very small. I can't put my feet into it. Should I take off my socks? But this is too small, not a bit small. This is too small. What is the size? US 9, UK 6. Oh, it's a 6 number. And I am 9. So they send me a US 9, not a UK 9. So a lot of times when new companies make mobile apps, they don't understand user experience. very correctly. So by just showing the size 9, people will see it's a 9 or a 8. They might not go into details where they will see whether it's a US 9 or a UK 9. It's companies like Sketch, like Agio, if they are building websites, they should be making it very clear, or they should just be showing the relevant size, because most people in India wear a UK size, not a US size. So even if the shoe is available in US size, well, the shoe is available in UK, US, Europe, CM and Brazil sizes, and it's a US 9, UK 6. So they should have advertised. Let's have a look at the app and let's see what that says. Plus I will have to put a return. So I have the Agio app. Let's open the app and let me go to my orders. This is the shoe. So it says select size US, and when you select a size, it says UK 6. So it does say that, but it says US. They should have just shown the UK size. See, this is not a very good design. This is a lapse of user experience, where they should have just shown the UK design, UK size. This problem wouldn't be there. So now I need to order. So 10 is UK 7. So they don't have UK 9. So that means I will have to return my shoes. That is my order. So I got these delivered 2 days ago. They were promised on 16th. As you can see here, they were supposed to be delivered on 16th. But I got these 2 days ago. And still on my app it is showing delivery delayed. Now if I were to like to return and exchange, received your order already. In order to process your return exchange request, the order should be marked delivered in our system. This may take up to 24 hours. So in 48 hours, in more than 48 hours, this shoe is not showing up as delivered in their system. So guys, there's a lot of these new companies coming up with online marketing, mobile apps and whatnot. And Agio seems to be a very good one. Their prices are very good. They've delivered it correctly, but the sizing info was wrong, and now I have a problem returning it. So yes, these companies might not be as good as Amazon, as in the user flow is concerned, but they might get better. So Agio, according to me, the shoes I would give a 6 out of 10. I don't think they are worth the price. They're definitely not worth 8,000. They're definitely not worth 4,000 either. These shoes should be around 2,200, if that, because it claims to be a decent brand. And about Agio, the shipping, the size, the buying experience, I would give them 8 out of 10, sorry, because that was very good. They had a lot of choice. The prices was very good. But now because of this inability to return the order, and they haven't even updated that I have received the order on their website, I would like to give them 2 out of 10. Alright guys, in the video response, you can share what your experience with Agio is. And if you've got any further experiences with this shoe, you will not find a review of this particular pair anywhere on YouTube.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Stay connected for the review of Woodland trekking boots.